Flood warning. The National Weather Service in Flagstaff has issued a flash flood warning for Yavapai County in west central Arizona until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 2:14 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of Yavapai County. This includes the following: Creek, Copper Creek, Sycamore Creek, Peyton Creek, Mud Spring Creek, Dry Creek, Indian Creek, Silver Creek, Little Sycamore Creek, and Badger Spring Water. Flash flood warning means that for terrain. In a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take repeating, a flash flood. 15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Yavapai, Arizona.
Yavapai.
The following is a flash flood warning. The